Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear app data on Windows 11. Okay, let's get started. Here I have already opened my computer with Windows 11 and I'm going to show you how you can clear your app data to free up your space. This is very helpful guys to free up your space. And first of all, you can go to the start menu, select settings and go to the apps menu. Okay, and select the installed apps and wait, it's still loading, and you can choose one of the application that you want to clear the data. And for example, I'm going to clear the app data of wait, I'm still searching for the application. I'm going to clear this application, this app data. So we can click on more option and go to the advanced options, and then you're going to scroll down until you find reset. Okay, and after you reset your application, the app's data will be deleted. Just click on reset. Okay, and you can wait until the process has completed. Okay, it will take time, but yeah, you just need to wait for it. And okay guys, that's how we can clear apps data in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel.